Let me show you how to create your own map on the Garmin. This is Garmin 73 SV, but I'm going to show you how to create your own map, draw a map, make a map. I've heard it called a lot of different things, but you can see anything here that has color to it, I've already mapped it. So we're going to get lined up here a little bit. And then the way we do this, from your home menu, you can just go to charts, fishing chart, and you can see that I've already made some maps. If you see all this area over here, I mean, it's not mapped at all, and we need to map that. So what we're going to do is, from our fishing chart, we're going to go to menu, quick draw contours, make sure your display is on, start. I just turned my display off. Turn your display on, start recording. Once you are in record mode, everything turns green. I don't know why my GoPro keeps shutting off, but we're going to try this, see how it comes out. Can always remake it. But if you look right over in here, I mean, there's just nothing's mapped. It says it's supposed to be 9 feet, and I know for a fact we're in 35 feet of water. So as we're going along, it's just going to start mapping. I'm going to speed us up a little bit. As long as that is green, it means you got a good speed and you've got good satellite signal, so it knows where you're at. And you can drive back and forth over these as much as you want, just like mowing a lawn. But you can see it's drawing contours as it goes along, and then as you fill it in, it just maps the whole. I'm on a river right now, but you can map a lake, you can do whatever you want. And then if you really want to make sure you're not getting too shallow, I can go home, I can go to I've got it set up for combos, and I can have my 2D and my mapping on, and it's still mapping. So now I can tell that I'm in 35 feet of water, 36 feet, even though the map over here says I'm supposed to be in 6 feet. So I'm just going to map this along. I've mapped quite a bit of this stretch of river so far, and I'm heading back into the boat ramp now. I'm just going to map a stretch right down through here on my way back to the boat ramp, and then each time I come out, I'm going to map another little stretch. And you can see we're really close to the bank right here, and that was one of the main reasons that I wanted to map this, because, you know, it says it's 6 feet, but it's not. It's 32 feet right here. But you see we're doing 3.8 miles per hour. As long as that is green, it's getting you a good reading, a good map. If you go too fast, I think it turns yellow, and then if you go even faster, it'll turn red. But I mean, that's really all there is to it. I hope this helps anybody that was looking to figure out how to, you know, use their Garmin to make their own maps. It's really super easy. And then once you're done recording, I forgot to mention, make sure you have an SD card in here. If you don't have an SD card, you can't do it. So anyway, hopefully this helps. See you on the next one.